Hey guys, today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create an online survey for cafe or restaurant services. Think that I'm a manager of a beautiful cafe restaurant. I'm seeing a lot of crowd in my cafe or restaurant. However, I see that the number of returning customers is less. I want to do a quick survey to check if the customers were satisfied with the service. In this video, I have created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP. It's one of the finest platforms to create a disposable WordPress website to test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build a quick WordPress website in no time by just clicking a button. I have already installed the QSM plugin on the website. To learn how to install and configure QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Let's start by creating a survey form. The first step is to hover over QSM, then click on Quizzes or Surveys. Once you click on Create New Quizzes or Surveys or Add New button, we'll see a collection of themes for the survey. QSM is a collection of stunning themes, but I don't require a theme for this survey, so let's go with the default theme and click on Next. Now, on the quiz setting page, we get an option for the initial setup of our form. I'm setting a name for the form and selecting what kind of form we are using. You can even set up a time limit on your survey if required, and you could select if you wish to show your survey only to the logged in users. In my case, I don't need those, so I'm just skipping those and clicking on Next. Now comes the add-on page, where we get to see the popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, or surveys. Currently, I don't need any feature add-ons, so let's click on Create Quiz. We have reached the Questions tab, where we can enter our questions for our customers. Let's start by entering some questions into our survey. Starting with the first one, I want to know how the customers would rate the quality of the food served to them when they last visited. After entering the question, let's choose the type of question on the right-hand side. There are about 15 question types, which we could select based on our question's nature. Currently, I'm taking the radio grid type question here. Let's fill in the options. If you want, you can mark the question as required so that the question can't be skipped, and the user must answer this before moving to the next question. Click on Save Question to save the question. Click on Create a New Question at the bottom of the Questions tab, or click on the Duplicate button at the top of the Questions page to duplicate the same type of question. In the second question, I want to know about the quality of service they received on their visit. I want this to be on the radio grid type question again. Let's fill the options quickly. Click on Save Question. Coming to the next question, now I want to know if the customer liked the ambience of the cafe or restaurant, following the same process here as we did for the previous ones. Now, the last one. Here, I want to see if the customer would like to refer our new cafe to their friends. I want this to be a multiple choice type question so that our users can select the suitable answer amongst the given choices. Fill in the required options and then click on Save the Question. All the questions are set for the survey. I believe that a contact form is required here to see who is responding to my survey, so that I could contact them later if there is any bad review from the cafe. Click on Add New Field and then select Field Type and label it as Name. Let's add another contact field to take the phone number. Select the field type and label it as Phone Number. Then, click on the Save Contact field. Let's do a quick preview of our survey by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you see, we have successfully created the customer satisfaction survey for a cafe, and it works just right. That's all for this video. Let us know in the comments how are you using QSM plugin on your website. Until next time, stay safe, bye-bye.